Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Janitor AI on your Android phone. For that, the process is very simple. So what you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So what you have to do is to go to the Play Store and search for the Janitor AI. So right now, Janitor application is not available on the on the Play Store, so you cannot access the Janitor AI on the Play Store. The other thing that you guys can do is to go to the Google Chrome in order to access the Janitor AI. So once you are on the Google Chrome, hit the Janitor AI website, and once you are in it, simply log in with your credentials, the account you have. So by doing that, you will be able to use the Janitor AI on your mobile phone. So it is that simple. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.